Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the colors name. Orange color, light green color, pink color, olive color, light blue color, yellow color and red color. Now let's learn the numbers counting 1 to 20. First, 1. Number 1. Next kids, 2. Number 2. Next, 3. Number 3. Next kids, 4. Number 4. Next, 5. Number 5. Next, 6. Number 6. Next kids, 7. Number 7. Next, 8. Number 8. Next kids, 9. Number 9. Next kids, 10. 1, 0, 10. Number 10. Next, 11. 1, 11. Number 11. Next kids, 12. 1, 2, 12. Number 12. Next, 13. 1, 3, 13. Number 13. Next kids, 14. 1, 4, 14. Number 14. Next, 15. 1, 5, 15. Number 15. Next, 16. 1, 6, 16. Number 16. Next, 17. 1, 7, 17. Number 17. Next, 18. 1, 8, 18. Number 18. Next, 19. Number 19. 1, 9, 19. Next, 20. 2, 0, 20. Number 20. What we learn? We learn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, 2, 0, 20. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.